Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to make text with overlap effect. Let's get started. First, I will prepare a dark background with a gradient. You can follow it too. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Insert text. I use the Myriad Pro Bold font. Center the font. Selection. Right-click and create outline. Right-click again and ungroup. Selection. Effects. Stylize. Drop shadows. You can follow the settings like this. And OK. Temporarily, turn off the background layer. Slide the letters like this. Center back by right-click. Arrange. Center back. Or you can do this with a shortcut. Selection. Objects. Groups. Hold Alt and copy. Gradient color fill. Do grouping again. Now reactivate layer 1. Finish. Now you can use it for advertising designs, t-shirts, and other decorative needs. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.